Why does your English still sound basic, even after learning hundreds of words? Because real speakers don't speak only words. They use idioms. And today, idiom number 7 and idiom number 13 can upgrade your spoken English big time. Stay till the end. This is Abhishek with English. Let's level up. Idiom 1. Keep your word. Meaning, do what you promised. He kept his word and helped me. She always keeps her word. Simple. If you promise, do it. Idiom 2. Make it work. Meaning, find a way to succeed. We had problems, but made it work. They made it work with less money. Bad situation. Still succeed. Idiom 3. Call it even. Meaning, nobody owes anything now. You helped me. I helped you. Call it even. We paid the same. It's even. Balance finished. But wait. The next one is even better. Idiom 4. Get back on track. Meaning, return to the right path. After vacation, he got back on track. She got back on track with studies. Return to the correct path. Idiom 5. Learn the hard way. Meaning, learn by mistake. He learned the hard way not to lie. She learned the hard way about money. Pain first. Lesson later. Idiom 6. Take it seriously. Meaning, treat as important. He took the job seriously. Take your health seriously. No joke. Real focus. Idiom number 7 is coming up. Are you ready? Idiom 7. Give it a try. Meaning, try once. Give it a try before saying no. She gave it a try and liked it. Try first. Decide later. Stay focused. More useful idioms ahead. Idiom 8. Miss the chance. Meaning, lose an opportunity. He missed the chance to speak. She missed her chance to apply. Quick question. Yes or a no? Have you ever missed a big chance in your life? Idiom 9. Make it better. Meaning, improve something. He worked hard to make it better. New design made it better. Improve it. But wait. The next set is used in daily conversation. Idiom 10. Run out of time. Meaning, have no time left. We ran out of time in the test. She ran out of time to finish. No time left. Idiom 11. Take the next step. Meaning, move forward. He took the next step in his career. She is ready for the next step. Move ahead. Idiom 12. Do it right. Meaning, do correctly. If you do it right. She did the job right. Do it correctly. Big discipline idiom coming. Don't blink. Idiom 13. Stay on track. Meaning, continue correctly. Stay on track with your goals. He stayed on track all year. Do not get distracted. Stay focused. Energy high. Last power idioms. Idiom 14. Make it count. Meaning, make it meaningful. She made every minute count. Use it fully. Idiom 15. Get it done. Meaning, finish the task. Stop talking and get it done. Create positive change. Here is a smart learning tip. If you comment your favorite idiom, your brain remembers it much longer. It's a simple psychology memory trick for fast learning. If you want to stop sounding basic in English, like the video, subscribe to Abhishek with English.